Hey, Eris.
Yeah.
What are we trying?
Pumpkin pie wizard.
We have a pumpkin pie blizzard. Say blizzard.
Wizard.
It's not a lizard, a blizzard.
Wizard.
Close enough. Let's give it a try.
Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Do you taste the pumpkin?
Yeah.
Go ahead, give it another bite. What do you think?
Yeah.
Is the pumpkin pie blizzard good?
Yeah.
What's the best part? Huh?
Taste.
The taste? You think other people will like it?
Yeah.
You do?
Uh-huh.
Say limited time only again.
Limited time only again.
Pumpkin stuff is really good.
Pumpkin stuff are really good.
Adios.
Adios.
Hasta luego. Blow a kiss.
Bye, ice cream too.
Buy ice cream. How about buy what? Pumpkin pie
Two.
blizzard 2. Dun dun dun. Dun. Get it while it lasts.
Get a wild.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.